Hey everyone, Chris here, just back with another update for you of a new feature that we just released this morning, which is basically a way to compare models in real time based on the same target keyword that is being generated through the article. So let me take you through this very quickly, pretty simple. Create content here, left-hand side, single generation, and we'll hop into just a traditional general article. Let's do SEO basics for 2026. Let's do all of this, hit go. And you'll see here a new button, compare. So this is where you'll be able to, if your API keys allow, always recommend going out and grabbing all the different platform keys just so you can use them directly within Cuppa and see the results. Just a reminder, if you're not familiar, the same article applied to different, same target keyword applied to different models is going to produce wildly different results, right? So it all is dependent on what you're building, but I just wanted to essentially have a way within Cuppa for you to take a look at how built, and then we'll grade them for you based on our current content grader, and you can pick the winner and keep it, and we'll show you how to do it. So one thing real quick, just make sure you do your AI instructions first. I'm just going to do one of these, apply. So AI instructions are set, should go all the way across. Yep, it does. Don't forget we do now have quick and easy, just drag and drops in. Very simple to add prompting. This one's, let me just give you an example. NLP optimized structure. So there you go, right? So you can do this one. So just some snippets that will help with your prompts. But I'm going to leave that as is. That's good. That's fine. And we talked about Canva already. Okay, so this is all good, all set. I'm not going to do my custom headings, but you can, of course, or you can hit the green button here to generate, or when the SERPs are done, you can just pull in the SERPs and use that as your reference to build an article. But let's just leave this blank for now. My preset or AI instruction is set. I'm going to hit compare. So if you don't have Anthropic or Google API keys in there, these won't populate. You won't be able to use them. But I'm going to do Grok. I'm going to do Opus 4.5, and I'm going to do 5.2 as my test. So it'll give you a rough estimate of costs. Just remember that it is an estimate. Some of these thinking models are a little tricky in tracking token costs across all the way. So obviously if you're adding more models, there's going to be more cost, but you're talking 30 cents compare. So generate and compare. So it's going to do the exact same target keyword using the exact same AI instructions and build your articles for you all at once concurrently across these models. I always recommend, like, as you're trying this for the first time, hop into each article and you'll see the difference. It's pretty crazy seeing that the exact same input, so the prompting, everything that you had on the AI instructions, our process is all the same. It is simply, this points to Grok 4, this points to Anthropic with Claude Opus 4.5, and this points to OpenAI. So you'll see the difference here, and it will also highlight the winner based on the content scoring that we have available for you. A couple other quick fixes I want to point out as this generates. In brand settings, content strategy, that's for all your automation of the content planner, right? So if you're in brand settings, you'll now see 6 integrations that we can do publishing for automatically direct through the content planner itself. So we added Ghost, Contentful, Airtable. We had those in team integrations, but we didn't have them connected to the content planner yet. That's all done. It's connected, so you can pick any of those. Secondly, we also did pretty big update on the billing section. We had a bug that someone pointed out where payment methods weren't coming in, so you couldn't toggle defaults, delete them, update them, etc. Same with the transaction history and invoices. Those were all basically bugging out. So that should now all be fixed as well. Let me see here. So as these generate, One other thing that someone pointed out, if you guys are getting notifications for the first time, emails, go into notifications. You have two sections. One are emails. You can toggle them all on, off, one by one, your choice. And same with the Slack notifications as well. So totally up to you. Obviously on the Slack integration, you would have to do the integration itself. Highly recommended if you use Slack. I dropped a tweet about it yesterday where if you do command/Cuppa help, it will list out all of the commands that you can do. You can do commands directly through Slack, not touching the Cuppa UI that you see in front of you, and it'll just be in your content folder at the end. One last thing too is we had a big update to our Learn documentation for the API. So we have a Cuppa API. Everything that you see happening right now is available via the Cuppa API. We're very much leaning into the fact of I think a lot of this is going to be done outside of Cuppa. So it'll just be pipelines of API data going to and from where you need it to go. Can basically reach any part of Cuppa and build. So anything you do here can now be available within the Cuppa API. So highly recommend it. So okay, these are looking like it's complete. Grok 4 graded 75. Clicking in the article, you can see the content score. Same with Opus 4.5. You can click in, see the score, see how we grade each of these. We have determinants, and then there you go. There's the winner. So interesting. It was actually a tie. So you'll see the different variants below. So this one had 77, 92, 86, 65. I wonder how it picked that. It must be a decimal. But anyway, you can see the difference, go into each individual article, or you can just view winner and have it come up here. So yeah, it's obviously you can see the internal, external links happening automatically, which is great. And you can read the article, but most importantly, once you go into edit, you can see the grading. So you'll see exactly how it was graded, what graded as what. If you did have the SERPs toggled on, if not, click SERPs here, and you can do basically the auto-optimized feature that Surfer has is now available through us. So yeah, that's the content creator. We wanted a way for you to quickly build across different models and see the results.